one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. There are times in life when it's difficult to receive the goodness of the Lord. You keep looking for the things which need fixing. You keep looking at the things that you need to carry, what is needed just for survival. And somewhere along the way, your heart forgets to simply receive the Lord's blessing, His grace and strength. But the Lord is inviting you again into His presence to taste and to see His goodness. The Lord who is inviting you to draw close to His heart, for He desires to speak to your heart. He desires to show and reveal His goodness again. Put down the weights that you've been carrying. Lay them at His feet, allowing Him to lift from you the burdens, allowing Him to give you His peace. For the Lord is drawing you into His presence, and He says, taste and see that I am the Lord. Taste and see my goodness in your life, for I am the Lord who is refreshing you, the Lord who is blessing you anew this day. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.